Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo Y72 5G and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's enter reset options, and as you can see on the second position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. And here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and actually this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your Vivo Y72 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.